So a lot of you will be using Excel, so we can't ignore Excel, but Python can open Excel documents. A very quick one. So Excel data, let's have a quick look at the Excel data. So summary, so it gives us what we downloaded. I think, yeah, this is the Google Analytics data again. Yes. So we've got the summary data, then the keyword data, and then we have got the index data, the day index, and that's an Excel file. Okay, so we're going to jump into this Excel file. Let's make some mistakes. Let's see what happens when we do things. So we're going to take out sheet name, call it Excel underscore data, and it loaded it, so it didn't need sheet name to load it. Info, okay, let's look at it. So that's not very useful. That just gives us, so default with Excel, it gives you the first sheet, and that's just not got any information that's useful to us. So we want to set the sheet name, and in this case, we're going to set data set 2, which I think was a column data. Yep, that looks like it. And there you go. So that's how you read an Excel worksheet and specifically go to the sheet. So you should be able to read your data in now, and you can use stuff like skip rows as well in this, I'm sure. Never had to do it. Never really use Excel in Python, but I understand that some people might. Let's skip the first 10 rows. There we go. And we get the header of the data being part of the data set, which we won't want. But you can use the same functionality from the read CSV as you do in the read Excel. Another useful thing, and we covered this in the intro to Python for marketers, but if you've got a time series index, what index call? I want to set the index call as day index. There, we've got the index. I think we want parse. We want to parse the dates. What that means is essentially we'll want to make sure that it is seen as a date field. And what that will allow us to do, hopefully, live coding, where the errors happen. To draw plots, we are going to need to put in matplotlib. So to allow us to use Pandas plotting tool and to see it plot in the workbook, we always have to use this. I think they're called magic codes. So if you ever try this and it just gives you this, ever try to make a plot and it just gives you this line, if you insert that magic code, you'll get this. So it took the dates, it parsed them because it followed the date format. It was the index, so it became the x-axis. Is that the x? I think. And then it drew it. Okay, so that's Excel, text delimited files, or tab delimited files, sorry, or .txts and CSV files. .txts can also be comma delimited, they operate in the same space.